My name is Richard Kay and I am restoring Seaplane Tender 437. ST437, or Vera as we now call her, was built in 1941 by the British Powerboat Company in Hythe for the RAF and served as an air sea rescue boat based in Porthcawl for the duration of the war. Now, I've been in and around boats all my life. I first learned to sail dinghies aged sort of 6 or 7. We lived on the banks of the River Thames and holidayed in North Cornwall, so messing about in boats was always something we did. It's fair to say I'm an accidental restorer. I didn't set out to find a World War II boat to restore. I was looking for some sort of project boat that maybe needed a little bit of work doing and a coat of paint that I could do over the winter and then go out and sail her in the summer. Came across the Seaplane Tender and just fell in love. And here I am, 4 years later, spending all my spare time on this passion project. Meanwhile, back at the ranch. Restoring Vera is an enormously frustrating and challenging, but most of all, rewarding experience. She is one of the last of her kinds and a boat of national historic interest. So I hope you will come on board and enjoy the voyage of restoring Vera back to seaworthy condition. I'm not sure I can do it in an energetic and music style. I'm not sure it's me.